Let's go through how to add themes to your WordPress website. Just like with plugins, themes can be uploaded or searched for and added. So you'll find your plugins by going to Appearance and then hitting Themes. That's going to bring you up to the Themes section. And you can see these are the themes that are already installed, and this is the theme that is active. And you can activate the already installed themes by hitting the Activate option, or you can preview the themes by hitting the Live Preview. So up here you can search for a new theme, and over here you can add a new theme by uploading it, which is useful if you purchase a theme at a third-party site or have a theme file you'd like to install that you've custom developed. So if you hit Add New, you'll see that you can now search for themes, and here's the upload option. And I'm just going to deselect that, and you can scroll through here and find a theme you like. Now be sure to pick themes that have a lot of downloads. That usually indicates that they have a big support team updating the theme often. So you want a theme that's updated often. And a couple of themes that we do recommend, one of which is Generate Press. So you can just search for Generate, and it should come up with Generate Press over here. So you're going to hit the Install button, and that's going to add the plugin to the theme, to our website. Now we can live preview it over here before we activate it, so you can see what it looks like with your website first. Great. So you can see over here, this is what the homepage looks like, and if we click through here, we can see what our post would look like. Well, there you go. That's how you install the theme. Now we're going to go back and activate it, or you can activate and publish from here. So I'm just going to go back, and then we're going to activate it from the Appearance section. So over here we can see we have this theme active, and there we go. Now it's active. So if you test your site, you can now see that that theme is active.